Hi there. After completing all the videos above for ATM parameters, if you are ready to turn a ATM live for live trading on your account, please pay attention to this particular video. Now we presume that you have already figured out a comfortable set of parameters that fits you. Like for example, in our website scoreboard, there is a download where parameters that suits you. Let's say you have selected this particular basic strategies and you are comfortable with the range of the data that has been set over here, and you would like to have these parameters included into your MT4 for live trading, and this is how you go about doing that. Turn on the MT4 trading platform and make sure that this is a 1 hour chart for Euro USD. First to do is that you would like to have a visual view of the indicator that you will be using in this strategy, which is MACD. So what you can do an insert indicator. MACD belongs to oscillator, and you turn it on and just check the parameters 12, 26, 9. Click OK. You can of course subsequently change the color scheme based on what you prefer. So if you remember on the earlier video and the material, this cut over, it's going in for a buy order, and at this earlier cut over is going in for a sell order. So now let's pull out the scoreboard ATR version, and of course this .ex4 program would have been sent to you through email so that you can detach it into your expert folder. Refresh your MT4 trading platform so that it can show up over here. Do a right click and perform the task called attach to a chart. So before it is to be attached onto your this 1 hour chart, a pop-up box will show up here. Click on common. This is where you allow live trading. You must click on it, otherwise there won't be any trade being performed. Go back to the input. The first few sections here, all these values, you can ignore it. These are unique identifier, just in case that you can use this ATM for different strategies and you would like to differentiate the respective orders that is being generated. So then you have to change the number here. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Sell is true. Put a take profit level that you are comfortable. The stop loss for the first level at 400. Take profit 20. Now let's say you prefer to have this changed to 30. Let's stick to 30. Sell gap 1, sell gap 2. At this level, as this is quite complicated, technical, you may make reference to our website, and it is recommended to be 50-50 for both buy and sell. These are the MACD settings. Now for this example, if you have a trading capital of 5,000 US dollar, so based on our ratio, you can trade up to 0.05, and in this case you would like to change it to 0.05, and you are comfortable with the averaging factor of 2, and this is a clustering effect setting. Just refer back to our website. It is set as 20, so we remain it as 20. Let's say in your own comfort level, you are not comfortable with averaging up to the 5th level and you would like to change it to 4. This is where you can change it. And you would like to change your maximum lot size up to the level of maximum 0.8 for this case. You can do it. You can do your own mathematical calculation. Let's go to the buy section. Make sure it is true. And for take profit, you would like to have it increase to 40, 20. Now remember, this is only for demonstration, educational purpose. These numbers should be predetermined by the user if they are comfortable first before it's being set here. So these few parameters is the same as sell, so we leave it untouched. Change to 0.5 here. Similarly, you are comfortable with only 4 levels. 0.8 here. Make sure that your account protection is true, and secure profit MACD actually means that at which level you are comfortable for all the loss-making orders to be closed. If 0, it means that when all loss orders are being neutralized, combined profit of 0. If you set, for example, 10, that means that you would like to have $10 of profit to be considered as break-even. So let's stick to 0. For this basic setting, have our hedge management leave it as false. Trading period, it is 60, that represents 60 minutes or 1 hour trading. Auto compound, leave it false. And the rest of ATR factor, which will be covered in subsequent videos, for the time being, just leave all to be false. So all this ATR or dynamically determined profit taking factor is being turned to false. And the last trade is where you indicate how many maximum orders left open in a day that you allow. You can change it to 3, or you can change it to 2. 2 is the recommended range. Let's look at our website again. Okay, it is mentioned here 3, so if you're comfortable with 3, you can change it to 3. Okay, so now you have your ATM being already parameter adjusted according to what you want. You can actually save under your own preferred version 1, and this is saved under your presets, meaning that in the future you can always refer back this particular setting that you have launched for your live trading. Okay, now you will still realize that it is still not being activated. The reason is this on and off button has not been activated. So let's pay attention to this particular indicator here. You see a tiny little cross on the top right hand corner. That actually shows that the ATM is not yet activated. So once I click on this button, this should turn into a smiley face. So take a look here. It's on, and a smiley face is shown here. So that actually means that the ATM is being turned on your live account. You can see here actually for this version of ATM there is an expiry date here, and you are expected to manage your own expiration of this license. Look at the MACD. There is a crossover that is going to take place within probably another half an hour's time. So once the crossover is confirmed, the system should activate a buy order of 0.05. So normally when you activate your ATM, it is good that for you to take a look at whether this is a okay time frame for you to turn on the ATM. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I'm sure you know that the biggest challenge for Forex traders is to overcome your greed and fear factor. Here at Scoreboard, we design ATM programs that overcome your emotional problems.